If you're over 60 and find yourself tossing and turning at night, waking up again and again, and still feeling tired in the morning, it might surprise you to learn that the real reason has little to do with age. The true cause often comes down to one small but powerful mineral your body quietly runs out of: magnesium. When your body lacks magnesium, your brain can't produce enough melatonin, the natural sleep hormone. Your nervous system stays alert instead of relaxed. Muscles cramp more easily, and even your heartbeat may become irregular. That's why your nights become broken into restless pieces and your mornings feel like you never truly slept. But here's the good news. You don't have to rely on sleeping pills forever. By gently restoring magnesium through familiar foods already in your kitchen, your body can begin to regain deep, peaceful sleep within just a few nights. Magnesium is not just another supplement. It plays a vital role in over 300 biochemical reactions in your body, from steadying blood sugar and heartbeat to relaxing muscles and calming the mind. For sleep, it acts as the key that unlocks melatonin production and activates GABA, the neurotransmitter that quiets anxiety and guides the body into rest. Clinical studies have shown that older adults who restore magnesium can fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and wake up feeling more refreshed and alert. It even lowers nighttime cortisol, the stress hormone, allowing your natural circadian rhythm to reset and your body to find calm again. As Dr. Abhinav Singh from the National Sleep Foundation explains, magnesium also helps prevent those painful nighttime leg cramps that so often disturb seniors. In short, magnesium is the silent gatekeeper of sleep. And tonight, on Golden Rest Guide, I want to share 5 familiar, magnesium-rich foods that can help you sleep naturally. Starting with number 5, soybeans. A single cup of cooked soybeans gives your body nearly a third of its daily magnesium needs, helping your nerves relax and your brain produce melatonin. They're also rich in plant-based proteins and gentle phytoestrogens that balance hormones, especially in post-menopausal women who struggle with hot flashes and restless nights. Adding tofu, soy milk, or a handful of steamed edamame to dinner can make a real difference. Number 4 is almonds. A simple handful before bed provides magnesium and even a bit of natural melatonin, creating a perfect combination that helps the body unwind and sleep deeply. Almonds also calm inflammation and lower cortisol, easing tension throughout the body while protecting the heart with healthy fats and vitamin E. Just remember, one handful is enough, raw or dry roasted, unsalted. Number 3 is spinach, the queen of leafy greens. One small bowl of cooked spinach offers almost half your daily magnesium, while also providing folate to boost serotonin, the chemical your body turns into melatonin. Spinach calms nerves, relieves muscle tension, and improves oxygen flow to the brain, so you fall asleep more easily and stay asleep longer. Lightly sautéed spinach with garlic or a warm spinach soup in the evening can be soothing and nourishing without feeling heavy. Next, number 2, oats. Most of us think of oats as breakfast food, but a warm bowl in the evening can become a natural sleep tonic. Oats are rich in magnesium, tryptophan, and vitamin B6, which together help your body make serotonin and melatonin, while keeping your blood sugar steady through the night. A small bowl of oatmeal with unsweetened almond milk or overnight oats with banana can calm the body, warm the stomach, and prepare the mind for rest. And finally, number 1, sardines. This humble fish may be one of the most underrated sleep foods on earth. Sardines are packed with magnesium, calcium, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids, a trio that relaxes muscles, balances mood, and supports heart and brain function. Omega-3s reduce stress hormones like cortisol and boost serotonin, helping your body drift naturally into deep sleep. They also strengthen bones, improve circulation, and even protect against age-related memory decline. Whether grilled with a drizzle of olive oil or eaten from a can packed in water or olive oil, sardines are a small food with big benefits for your health and your sleep. By simply adding these 5 foods, soybeans, almonds, spinach, oats, and sardines, into your weekly routine, you can help your body restore its natural rhythm of rest without medication or complicated routines. Magnesium quietly works behind the scenes to steady your heartbeat, relax your nerves, calm your muscles, and allow your brain to produce the melatonin it needs. Within just a few nights, you may notice fewer leg cramps, less stress, and a smoother, more refreshing sleep that leaves you waking with new energy and peace. Remember, you don't have to change your entire diet. Just nourish your body with these simple, magnesium-rich choices and let nature do the rest. Here at Golden Rest Guide, we believe sleep after 60 should never be a struggle. It should be your reward, a time of renewal, healing, and calm. Try one of these foods tonight, and when you wake with a lighter heart and clearer mind, come back and share your experience with our growing community of restful sleepers. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to Golden Rest Guide and turn on notifications so you never miss new natural tips to help you sleep deeply, live peacefully, and age beautifully.